There is a developer in San Francisco writing the exact same code as you. They use the same React hooks. They use the same Git commands. They struggle with the same CSS bugs, but they are getting paid $140,000 a year. And you are fighting to get $12,000. You think it's because they are smarter than you? No. You think it's because they have a better degree? No. It is because of 3 specific lies you have been told about the tech industry in Africa. And until you unlearn them, you will stay broke. Welcome to day 1 of the 30-day career roadmap. Today, we fix your salary. Let's look at the numbers. I did the research. In 2025, the average senior developer salary in many African tech hubs is capped around $1,500 to $2,000 a month if you work for a local company. Local companies aren't evil. They just earn in local currency. They cannot pay you dollars if they are earning in francs or shillings. That is simple economics, but here's the mistake you are making. You are a global worker selling to a local market. The internet doesn't have borders. Your code works the same in New York as it does in Kigali. So why are you accepting local prices for a global product? Most of you think the gap is skills. You think if you learn Rust, or Docker, or Kubernetes, you will suddenly get paid more. Wrong. The gap isn't skills, it is trust. International companies want to hire you. They want to save money, but they are terrified of one thing. They are afraid you will disappear. They are afraid the power will go out. They are afraid you won't communicate. You are paying a reliability tax. A US developer gets paid $100,000 because they are safe. You get paid less because you are seen as risky. To get paid more, you don't need better code. You need better signaling. So, how do we fix this? Step 1. Kill the freelancer vibe. Stop calling yourself a freelancer on your profile. Freelancers are cheap. Freelancers are temporary. Position yourself as a remote engineer. It sounds stable. It sounds professional. Step 2. The async proof. When you apply for jobs, don't just send a CV. Send a Loom video. Record a 2-minute video walking through your code, so your face speak clearly. This proves 3 things instantly. You speak good English. You have a good microphone and internet. You are a real person, not a scam. This alone puts you in the top 1% of applicants. Step 3. Target the middle market. Don't try to get a job at Google immediately, and stop working on Fiverr for $5. Target smaller marketing agencies in Europe or the US. They need developers desperately, but they can't afford $100,000 salaries. They will happily pay you $3,000 to $4,000 a month. To them, it's a bargain. To you, it's a fortune. Listen, Tuma. The market has changed. In 2025, no one cares where you live. They only care if you can deliver. You have the skills. Now you need the strategy. Tomorrow, I am going to talk about why staying at your current job for loyalty is actually destroying your career. You do not want to miss that. Hit subscribe. Welcome to the 1%. I'll see you tomorrow.